It's so satisfying watching the dirt being extracted from upholstery. We see this every day. We love what we do, and so will you. You can relax knowing your carpets and upholstery are in the hands of a trained professional when you hire Auckland Steam and Dry since 1987. Fast and friendly carpet and upholstery cleaning service that you know is going to give you a quality, clean result. Having the right equipment and tools help to provide a thorough cleaning. This upholstery tool helps me visualize when I flush out tough stains 100%. Our online reviews speak for themselves. Our loyal clients all remember us. They recommend us to their friends and family because we work hard to get your carpets as clean as they can be. We work hard to prove we are head and shoulders above everyone else in Auckland. We promise that you will notice the difference. Give us a call on 3767 007, our website Auckland Steam and Dry, where you can even book directly online with a pre-programmed instant quotation, or contact us on Facebook. Proudly servicing Auckland Central, North Shore, East, South, West Auckland and the Hibiscus Coast areas since 1987.